Welcome to WebShare Academy. Today, I'll show you how to set up a proxy in SWITCHY. Let's start. First, let's install SWITCHY Proxy extension. Since the original SWITCHY extension is disabled from Chrome Web Store, we will have to install the popular alternative called SWITCHY 3.0 After installing the extension, click on its icon at the top and hit Options. On the left, create a new profile. Give it a simple name and click Create. Choose HTTP as the connection protocol. Now you will need to enter proxy server details. You can get 10 free proxy servers from WebShare by signing up. On the WebShare dashboard, open Proxy List. Since we want to connect to United States proxy server, we choose this proxy address. Left-click on the proxy address field and paste it into SWITCHY server field. Do the same with port field. Save and apply the changes. To connect to this proxy server, click the SWITCHY extension icon and enable the proxy profile we set up earlier. You can check your IP on Google to make sure the connection is successful by searching My IP and testing your IP results. If you run into any problems, let us know in the comments and we will help you.